Form para sa low-cost housing para sa mga OFW. Low-cost na pabahay para sa mga OFW. Paano mag-apply? Sa video na ito, tatalakay natin kung paano mag-apply sa low-cost na pabahay para sa mga OFW. Don't forget like, share, comment, at subscribe. I-click na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga upcoming video.
NHA Application Form GEHP Revised Document. Isulat ang inyong personal na impormasyon. National Housing Authority. So ito guys ang application na kung saan fill-upan nyo upang makapag-apply kayo ng housing or yung tinatawag na pabahay. Application to purchase a house and lot package or housing unit under the Government Employees Housing Program, the Regional Manager, through the District Manager. A.1. For purchase of house and lot package under the GEHP through cash sale or end user financing. So dito guys, pwede kayong mag-cash or using yung financing na like pag-ibig. A2. Type of housing. 2-story, 1-story, low-rise building condominium. So mamimili kayo guys kung anong gusto nyo bilihin sa housing na ito. Applicant's identity. For female applicant, spouse, give complete middle name. So sa name, last, first name, middle name. Kung kayo ay spouse, ilagay nyo yung complete middle name nyo nung kayo dalaga pa. Residence, address, date of birth, ilagay natin. Place of birth, kung saan tayo pinanganak. Civil status, single, married, ganyan. Citizenship, contact numbers, office, yan. TIN number or pag-ibig number, policy number. Name of spouse, last name, first name, middle name, and mother's surname. Date of birth, kung saan kailan kayo applicant's employment status, nature of employment, kung ano trabaho nyo, name of agency, kung kayo man ay may agency. For military naman, rank, position, salary grade, kung magkano yung salary nyo, date hard, kailan kayo naging sundalo, and number of years in the government, kung ilang taon na kayo nasa serbisyo. For government employees, position, salary grade, date hired, number of years in the government. Number 3, applicant's family composition. Add additional page if necessary. Kung meron naman guys, maglagay kayo, at kung wala naman, pwede naman na di kayo maglagay. Pero mas maganda kung meron kayong ilalagay dito sa part na ito. Applicant's total family income per month. Kung magkano ang kinikita na inyong pamilya every month. Family real property holdings. Kung meron man kayong ari-arian, pwede nyo ilagay dyan. Then, basahin natin guys lahat ng nakalagay dito upang maintindihan natin kung ano yung ilalagay natin sa form na ito. After guys na ginawa natin sa taas, maglagay na tayo ng overprinted name of borrower, spouse, and signature. Then, yung printed name mo, then signature. Lagyan natin ang date kung kailan natin ginawa ito. Subscribe and swarm to before me in blank Philippines. Tagasan kayo sa Philippines. This month, day of, kung kailan, 2021-22, kung anong taon. Affiant having exhibited to me his or her number ng ID issued on kung kailan. So ito guys, please provide complete information and write legibly in print. So sundin natin lahat ito guys.